How to switch account in IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, we in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and can even customize it. Here, there's a section called Switch Account. Simply tap on Switch Account. So this is the place where you can add a new account. Here on the bottom, tap on Add Account. So this is the place where you can select a new number in order to log in or switch it. So enter the number. After doing so, an OTP code will be sent and you can easily log in with another number. So it's easy to switch from one account to another. At last, you can go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.